Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing credentials and packages. Install Firebase admin and dotenv and place the service account JSON in a secure folder. Once done, set an environment variable pointing to that file or use dotenv to load it. This avoids hard-coding secrets. Then initialize the admin SDK in your node process with admin. Initialize app credential, admin, credential, cert, service account. Make sure your node version supports your dependencies, and keep the key out of source control for security. Now construct the message payload and understand why each part matters. Create a notification object for title/body and a data map for silent info. Use tokens for devices, topics for groups, or conditions for logical targeting. Then set platform-specific options like Android Priority, TTL, and iOS Badge or Sound so delivery behaves predictably. Once built, validate the payload shape against Firebase expectations because malformed keys cause silent failures. Finally, call admin. Messaging, send message, or send multicast for multiple tokens and handle the return promise with then /catch or async/await. You should log success ID and inspect errors to determine causes like invalid tokens or payload issues. If you get unauthorized or invalid argument errors, make sure the service account has proper permissions and the payload matches platform rules. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logging and inspect returned error codes. Most delivery issues reveal themselves in those messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.